We've all had those days, texting clients, meetings, emails, constantly checking back and forth. Stuff runs over. We have to print. People are not working. People are off. Meetings with clients, with personnel, developing strategy. And sometimes it's also the meetings we don't want to be in, but we know we have to attend. Now, whether this is your responsibility or not, you're always busy. You always have things to do, and at home, it's no different. So, let me help you with this. We are the cut. What do we do, you ask? We take the moments that matter the most and we give it back to you. Now, we know families sometimes don't have the time to be together and cook delicious meals. We know you're always in the office, working over hours, and you miss the moments that matter the most for you. Whether this be play dates with family members or just spending quality time with your loved one. Stuff like this can always be taken for granted, or because of our work schedule, we don't have the proper time to invest in this. Now, the Cut offers you a weekly subscription service of meat along with vegetables. These meat and vegetables will give you the best experience you can imagine when it comes to home cooking. It will feel like eating in a restaurant, but with your loved ones, also spending quality time with you. You can have your husband, kids, friends, anyone can help you out, and these meals are easy to cook in this box, which comes with all the ingredients you need. Now, what you don't see in this box, but what we will still be offering, is a wine, a nice big bottle of wine for you to enjoy with the family, with friends. We're also going to be providing you a recipe of what meal we want you to cook with this, or if you don't want to follow the recipe, you can also do your own thing. No worries about that. But the way we do it is basically this recipe would also provide you with a brochure. In this brochure, you'll be able to track exactly where these vegetables and meat came from. Because we work with local and sustainable farmers, everything is organic, has no growth hormones, no other hormones, either in the steak, no hormones in the vegetables, no hormones in the steak. You'll be making sure what you put into your body is what you deserve, especially for those long hours you've been putting in. This is exactly what you need. And don't worry about it. This is a weekly subscription delivered to your door, so you have no hassle whatsoever. Just take it out, start cooking. Now, as you can see, we have sweet potatoes, the best quality meat. It'll be done in a second, so you can just put food on the table and spend time with those that matter the most. Now, trust us, we know this is a something that does not happen often. There's not always time to play around, relax, and do all of that. What we're providing you is a way for you to relax, be hassle free, and just have fun. Now, because this is a weekly subscription, we don't expect you to do this every day, but there should be always some moments where you can do this. We are the cut.